Guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about another potential crypto project that which is named KingPad. So KingPad has the potential to give you 10,000% profit after its launch. So I'll be in this video I'll be telling you guys about KingPad and how you can participate in the upcoming KingPad IDO, which is scheduled to take place by 11 by 10 a.m. Eastern time, or by 4 p.m. UTC. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this video so that you will not miss out on any important information. So but before we get into that, this is Crypto Airdropper, my YouTube channel. I make videos about cryptocurrency airdrops and ways to make money online. So if you're a new member on my channel and you've not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so right now. And if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you eventually get value from this video, please make sure you hit that like button because it actually do a great deal for this video. And before we continue, I want to make one thing clear, that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I talk about or show you guys in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in any cryptocurrency, and always invest what you can risk losing. So in my last video, I made a video about an upcoming IDO that has the potential to do 100x after launch, which is called the Soldex, and it's going to be launching on the NFT part. So if you've not watched the video yet, make sure you check it out right now. And in the video before that, I show you guys how I made almost over $2,500 worth of G-Box token for free by using a mining app. So make sure you check out that too. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video proper. So the IDO we'll be talking about is KingPad. So KingPad, like I already mentioned, has the potential to give you 10,000% profit from your investment. KingPad is going to be another launchpad which will offer IGO investors early access to games and metaverses. It will be launching the IDO on the Memepad, and I'll be telling you the requirements for joining the Memepad, and it will be having a fair launch on Pancakeswap, and all this will be happening today. Okay, so make sure you stick with me to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on how to get into the launchpad. And if you are not able to join the launchpad on Memepad, you can also join the fair launch that's on Pancakeswap. Once it launches, you can go there and buy it. That you can enter early on Pancakeswap, so that by the time the price pumps, you're already an early holder and you make a lot of profits. So, but however, the only thing is those that join the IDO are likely to make more profit than you. Okay, so that's that because they get to join earlier than you. So on KingPad, they'll be launching games fit for a king. You can also enter the metaverse kingdom. That's They'll have their own metaverse. They'll have their own goblin guild, which is scheduled to come up in 2022. That it will be like an NFT marketplace. So then the tiers, since it's a launchpad, obviously KingPad also has its tiers. However, the only good thing about KingPad is, despite the tier, despite your tier level, you still get guaranteed allocations. You still get guaranteed allocations despite your tier level. Okay, so there are basically three tier levels. I have the goblin tier level, we have the knight, and there's the king. Okay, your the goblin is, once you stake 50 crown, you are in the goblin, and the pool weight is 1. So for knight, 250 crown will, you once you stake 250 crown, that's the native token for KingPad, you'll be a knight. And 1500 crown will you and once you stake that, you'll be a king. That's your tier level will be king. And so the only difference is in the pool weight. So this pool weight will determine the allocation you receive on the launch pad. So the pool weight ranges from 1, 10, and 100. So the higher your tier level, the higher your pool weight. So to learn more about this, you can check out the channel, and once you check out the the website, you can check out the website, at kingpad.co, or you can check out the official Telegram channel and the official Twitter channel, which I'll be dropping on my own Telegram channel. So if you're not subscribed to my Telegram channel yet, make sure you do so. On the referral contest going on my Telegram channel is still on. So if you've not joined it yet, make sure you check out my Telegram channel right now. The link is in the description of this video, and check out the pinned message there, which will give you instructions on how to join the referral contest and stand a chance to win up to $65 worth of crypto. So getting back to KingPad. So that also, now tell you guys how you can be able to participate in the IDO on Memepad and the fuel launch on Pancakeswap. So Memepad is a launch pad. Okay, it's a launch pad where they launch all meme coins and other cryptocurrency projects. So a couple of days ago, they announced on their official Telegram channel, that's the Memepad, that's where they announced about the KingPad IDO. As you can see, the schedule on Thursday is at 10:30 a.m. EST, that's Eastern Time. The Memepad IDO pool will unlock for all stakers, where you'll be able to stake, and depending on the amount of Memepad you stake, it will determine your tier level. So then at 11 a.m. they'll open the KingPad will be listed on Pancakeswap, and that's when you'll be able to buy it. Okay, that's when you'll be able to buy it on Pancakeswap. Then at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, KingPad IGO staking will open up on their own website, okay, where you'll be able to stake KingPad so that you'll be eligible for their upcoming IDOs. Okay, so me so the first thing is how you can join the launchpad on Memepad. Okay, so this is Memepad, like I said, is a launchpad where they launch various projects. Okay, and as you can see, why I believe the KingPad IDO on Memepad will give you a lot of profit is because when you look at the previous projects that have been incubated on Memepad, they have all done well. And as you can see, the one that was recently completed yesterday or so, as you can see, it has already given over 2,600% profit. And this is some of other projects that they have completed recently. As you can see, this one gave over 5,000% profit. Girl Story gave over 6,000% profit. um Tribe gave over 10,000% profit. Okay, it was the initial price, that's the ideal price, was $0.01 approximately, but it went to an all-time high of $1.3, okay, which all sums up to over 10,000% profit. Okay, then the meme was same thing, over 10,000% profit. Gotham did 2,000% profit, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the least percent profit was Oculus Vision, which gave only about 17.64%. Okay, which is still not bad. Profit is profit despite how small it is. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. And you can actually check out the website memepad.co to find out more about the project and how well they did. So now I'll be telling you guys how to join. So Memepad has a staking. The tier levels on Memepad is based on a staking system. That is, you need to purchase Memepad, then you stake it for you to be eligible. Okay, so what are the tier levels? That's what I'll be telling you guys right now. So Memepad has basically three tier levels. They have the pleb, they have the chad, and they have the Elon. So pleb, for you to be eligible for pleb tier level, you need to stake at least 10,000 Memepad tokens, which is native token of Memepad tokens on the Memepad website, okay, which gives you a guaranteed allocation with a pool weight of 10. with Chad, you need to stake at least 69,000 Memepad, which will give you a pool weight of 100 with a guaranteed allocation. And Elon, you need to stake at least 420,000 Memepad to give you a pool weight of 1,000. They're all guaranteed allocations. That is, once you stake the minimum of 10,000 Memepad, you're guaranteed an allocation, and you'll be able to participate on any IDO any IDO pool that will be launching on the Memepad website. Okay, so to learn more about the tier levels, then check out the official channels. Okay, so how do you buy Memepad? So as you can see, this is me the current price of Memepad on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, so as you can see, Memepad, so or that's during the last IDO projects they had, it saw a rise of from this level to this level. That's it went this high. So after the project, people were able to unstake, because unstaking opened today, and as you can see, it has been dipping since then. Okay, however, since there will be more projects coming up, the price will still go up. So this is still a great chance for you to be able to lock into this opportunity and buy Memepad. Okay, because obviously once they announce the upcoming project, the price will start going up, because people will want to buy Memepad so that they'll be able to stake it on the app. So once it's staked, it will be locked for some time. Okay, it will be locked for some time. Once it's locked, they'll let you know when they'll open the pool, so that you'll be able to unstake your tokens. But while your tokens are staked, it will be locked. You won't be able to sell it. So make sure you know that before, so before you before you decide on the amount of Memepad you want to stake. Okay, so to buy Memepad, you can buy Memepad on Pancakeswap. What you have to do is come over to CoinMarketCap, search for Memepad, and copy out the the contract address. After you do that, then you open up your Pancakeswap on Trust Wallet. Once you open up Pancakeswap, then you will need to buy Memepad. Okay, to buy Memepad, once you've gotten the contract address, you just come over here after connecting your wallet, and make sure you have BNB or BUSD on your account, which you will use to make the purchase. Then you paste the contract address, and Memepad will appear. So once it appears, all you have to do is put in the amount of Memepad you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 10,000 Memepad, you type in 10,000, and the price will come up. Okay, for 10,000 Memepad, you need 1 point approximately 1.3 BNB to make the purchase. So if you're buying 10,000, or you're buying 69,000, or you're buying 420,000, depends on your choice. So you will then have to decide the amount you want to buy. So once you've made the purchase and you've bought it, then you need to go back to the Memepad website that's on your Trust wallet or any of your crypto wallet that supports decentralized exchanges and platforms. Then once you go there, you go to memepad.co. Make sure the website is correct, because there are a lot of scam websites out there that want to deceive you guys into believing that the actual site and steal your funds. So be careful whenever you're accessing this kind of exchanges. Okay, so make sure it's memepad.co, the actual website, and this is what it looks like. Okay, then once you open it up, then you click on the three bars on the left hand side, then you go to staking. Once you go to staking, then you scroll down to the Memepad IDO pool, not these pools. Because if you stake your tokens in this pool, you're staking Memepad, and you earn Memepad. Okay, so make sure you're staking on the Memepad IDO pool, which will give you access to IDOs. Okay, and one great thing about the IDO pool is, once your tokens are locked, you'll still be earning profit from them. Do you understand? Like before, that's while the your tokens are locked, are staked and locked, you'll still be earning free Memepad. Okay, and from the IDO pool, and this is the amount of the percentage APY you that's 89.5 50% APY on the total Memepad you staked. And so to do that, once you open up here, it will look something like this. Okay, so you need to first enable it. After you've enabled, you click on enable, you approve the transaction, then they'll ask you to put the amount of Memepad you want to stake. Once you do that and you complete the transaction, it will be locked. Okay, so your tokens will be locked. As you can see currently, about 200 over 279 million Memepad tokens have been locked. Okay, so that's basically how you join it. So then you stake the amount of Memepad you want depending on the tier system you want to be in. So after you've done that, then you can now come over to the project. Okay, so once the project is open, it will be announced on the official channels, okay, social media channels, and you'll be able to access it once it's open. Okay, so like say for example these ones have already ended. Okay, so these ones will be coming up soon. So let's say for example this is open. Once you click on it, it will open up. You'll see where you'll be able to, you see your allocation and the amount you can, that's your maximum allocation, and the where you'll be able to join the pool. Okay, so once you do that and you contribute, you contribute BNB or to the pool. Okay, it will be there, it will be locked in the pool, and once the IDO is over, the pool is completed, then distribution will start. Okay, so after distribution, then you will receive your tokens on, you receive your tokens. Okay, so once you receive your tokens, then you then decide to either hold them or swap them. So it's that easy. Okay, so for more information about this, make sure you join my Telegram channel, because once the IDO poll is open on Memepad, I'll be sharing it on my Telegram channel, and I'll also be sharing the announcement from KingPad to my Telegram channel, so that I'll keep you guys up to date. And for those of you that want to buy from Pancakeswap, it's the same thing as buying Memepad. Okay, that's if you want to buy KingPad. The steps are the same. All you need is the contract address. So currently the contract address is not out yet. Okay, but once it's out and ready, it's actually out, but it's not available for the public. Okay, so because there will be releasing the contract address a few minutes before the launch, that's before 11 a.m Eastern time or 4 p.m UTC, they'll release the contract address so that you guys will be able to buy it from Pancakeswap. So make sure you join my Telegram channel, because I'll be sending it there once it's ready. Once they release the contract address, I'll share with you guys there, and you can also get it from their official channels, that's their Telegram and Twitter channels. Okay, you can also get it there. So I think that's all I have for you guys today. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe, hit the bell icon beside, turn on notification, because like I've already mentioned to you guys before, most of my posts on my YouTube channel are time sensitive. So make sure you turn on notifications, so that as soon as I drop a video, you'll be notified immediately by YouTube, so that you'll be able to lock into the opportunity and make profit. Because all of us are, I know most of us here are looking for ways to make more money. Okay, so make sure you don't miss out on these opportunities. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.